how to add or remove Samsung calendar on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on calendar app. After click on calendar app, click on this tree line icon and click on settings icon. Now in calendar settings, scroll down and click on manage calendar. After click on manage calendar, you will see Samsung account is here. If you want to remove Samsung calendar, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see Samsung calendar is removed on Samsung Galaxy. If you want to add Samsung calendar, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see Samsung calendar is added on Samsung Galaxy. You will turn on or turn off Samsung account, add or remove from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can add or remove Samsung calendar on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.